Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to convert seconds to minutes in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take a number of seconds, like we have here in cell A2, and convert that to a number of minutes, like we have right here in cell B2. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's do some conversion right now. We know that there are 60 seconds in every minute. So if I go here into cell B2, I can type equals and take my number of seconds right here by clicking on A2 and just do divided by 60 and hit enter. And I can see that 3,600 seconds is 60 minutes. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. I can also click in B2 and use what is known as the convert function. So if I type equals and then type convert with a left parenthesis, I'm going to be asked for what number I wish to convert. And in that case, again, I'm going to click on A2. And then I'm going to type a comma. And my from unit is asking me what unit do I have in A2. And I'm going to, in double quotes, type SEC for seconds. And then type a comma. And then my 2 units is the next argument that I need to answer. So in double quotes, I'm going to put MN for minutes, close my double quotes, close my parentheses, and hit enter. And you can see again that I am getting 60 minutes from 3,600 seconds. So we go into all of this a little bit more out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.